Pasata. Times 1.5 yung sa iyo. Times 2.5 sa PMO. Times 2.5 yung odds sa PMO. Si Kwenta lang daw bro. Si Kwenta. Start of the ball game! Magno inbounds the ball for the blue team. Liabres, first shot of the game, no good! Kuha, wala. Ay, Adrian mo! Julius, pinasa kay Patrick, sizes up number 19, Black.
Ito, sino mo nang
Hernandez clears the ball for the PMO. She, number 1, nagdadala ng bola. Number 1, upset, what a move, blocked by Patrick again. Magno. Sizes up. Uy, what a steal by number 8, good ball. Hernandez passes to number 1. Uy! Siguro.
Ganda doon niya.
First ball. Number 19 clears the ball for the PMO.
Dwayne! Dwayne! Dwayne!
What a pass. Steal.
Dwayne!
Patrick. Sizes up number 1.
Dwayne!
Julius with the jumper. Easy.
Kasama ka ba? Kasama ka?
Number 19, jumper.
Yung tubig yung tubig.
Body
Wall na
spotted.
yung tubig.
Pinasa kay Fernandez sa labas. For 3 air balls and blue ball. Patrick, inbounds the ball. Passes to Ayan. Ano yan? PMO with the ball. 8 minutes into the ball game. The blue team leads by 2. What a body by Fernandez. Ano yung bola? Blue ball. Magno inbounds the ball. Looks to find Patrick Liabres but does not. Magno with a shot. No good. Rebound niya ulit. Magno magdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Ayan. Easy 2 points na naman mo. Ay wala. Pinasa kay Patrick. Double clutch. Fernandez use the ball to number 1. Tilda. Wala. 19. Jumper. No good. Fernandez. 3, 2, 1. Patrick clears the ball for the blue team. Magno, 10 seconds shot clock. Magno with a move. Wala call. Time out. PMO. Score is 2-0 in favor of blue. Shout out kay Aldrin at kay Michelle. Courtside seats para sa Labers na ito. May discount tayo. Asa hindi si Michelle? Sorry. Torrente, pinasa kay Jong, turnover. Number 1 dribbles the ball and clears it for the PMO. Nawala yung dribble. Pinasa kay number 19. Number 19, pinasa kay number 8. Nagkasigipan yung PMO. Shot clock violation. Torrente inbounds the ball for the blue team. Jong Jansi gives him a screen. Pinasa kay Patrick, takes the three. No good. Rebound kay Patrick again. Wala. Goes to the line to make two. First free throw here for Mr. Patrick Liabres. Please make two, Patrick. Misses his first free throw. Looks to make his second and last free throw to put them up by 3 points. Makes it. Fernandez clears the ball for the number one. Number one dribbles the ball, passes it back to Fernandez. Gives him a screen. 2, 1. Rebound. Patrick. Na naman. With the ball, pinasa ni Torrente. Torrente. Nagharap ng kakampi. 5 second shot clock. 3, 2. Wala. Rebound ni Torrente. Bank is open. Number 8. Pinasa na yung number 19. Nice play. Patrick, here's the ball. Passes to Torrente. 2, 1. Natagalan si Patrick doon. Fernandez for 3. Blue team is now up by 1 na lang. Teardrop ni Patrick. Bank is open. Number 19, pinasa kay Fernandez. Fernandez for 3 again. Ties the ball game at 5 points. Torrente clears the ball for the blue team. Blue ball. Score is 5-0. Torrente. Nice save. Rebound number 19. Fernandez makes his move on Jansi. Jansi. Nawala. Turnover na lang. Substitution. Diaz in for Fernandez. And Palacios in for number 1. Back to the ball game. Mr. Torrente dribbles the ball for the blue team. Pinasa kay Patrick. Walang foul yun. Number 19 sa rebound. Pinasa kay Diaz. Diaz drives the ball. Pinasa ulit. Wala. Shot clock, 5 seconds. Palacios for 3. No good. Jansi with the ball. Rebound ni Patrick. And 1. Blue team is now up by 1 point. 2 points if he makes this free throw. Patrick Liabres does not make this free throw. Still Torrente. Take it back. Patrick is open for 3. No good. Patrick ulit. Rebound. Teardrop. Yes, sir. 2-point lead for the blue team. 7-5. Palacios. Wala. Rebound ng Torrente. And clears it at the same time. Torrente. Ooh! What a move! What block? Number 19. 2, 1! Sub. Sinasabi. Diaz for 3. Ties the ball game at 7-all. Liabres with the ball. Drop pass to Julius. Jumper. Easy lang para kay Calabaw ng mga kampo. Good yan. Referees. Time out. Injury time out. Substitution. Sapo na. ball game. Substitution. Number 19. 9 seconds shot clock. PMO Diaz passes to Palacios. 5, 4, 3, 2. PMO is now up by 1 point. 9 to 8. Ryan passes to Patrick. Good lead by 19. For 3. Rebound to Terete. Drop pass, Patrick. First pass. Referee's decision. PMO Palacios with the ball. Back to Diaz for 3 ulit. Wala. 19. Rebound wala. Outside. Palacios. Lugo. Passes to Torrente. All right. Torrente with a side step. Blocked by number 19. Lugo, 9 seconds shot clock, 2 minutes and 30 seconds left in the ball game. Score is all 9. Torrente passes to Jane. Patrick, 3, 2, 1. Rebound, Palacios. Palacios passes to Diaz. Fakes the 3, drives, drop pass to 19. Ang ganda. PMO is now up by 1 point. Patrick. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound by Palacios. 9 seconds shot clock. Rebound Patrick Liabres. PMO is still up by 1 point, 9 to 9. Last 1 minute, 40 seconds. Patrick for 3. Rebound to number 19. Nakuha ni Palacios. 10 seconds shot clock. Palacios fakes it. Pass to Diaz. 3, 2, 1. 2-point lead. 2-point lead for the PMO. Torrente with an easy layup. PMO is now up by 1 around. For 3, Diaz. The lead is up to 3 again. Patrick. Down to 1. Last 1 minute in the ball game. Palacios with the ball. Diaz. Diaz jump shot. Back to 2. 55 seconds left in the ball game. Laban dalawa yung PMO. Binigyan ng screen. Patrick for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Palacios. Sinabi na ang closing miracle team. 40 seconds. 8 seconds.
Pat! Dos na.